Okay, on to our room.
Ready? Yes. Oh.
Babe, hold this.
Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. 200%. 1,000%.
All right, here's our room.
Beyond percent.
We'll have to do a little quick room tour. Okay, so as you enter the room, you have a door to the right, you have a door to the left. Let's close the door. Since they're in that one, let's go to this door to the left. We have a half bath. We have a sink and a toilet there. So I'm going to show this kind of stuff that I like to see when I watch people's videos. I like to see if there's any outlets in here. And it's only one for shavers, unfortunately, because I have a big old water pick flosser that I brought. So it won't be going in here. Hopefully the other side, but we'll see. But yeah, there's a drawer down here for some storage. I would forget stuff if I put it in there. But it's pretty spacious. And this will definitely be the number 2 restroom, if you know what I mean. Some hooks there. And then let's go to the other one, which is right across. Okay, so now let's go into the second one. As you can see, this one has a tub shower here. And it seems to be pretty tall. Let me stand inside. I'm 5'7", so this is a good height for me. Now, if you're like 6 feet, like my husband, then I don't know. We'll have to see how that works for him. I'm not a fan of these shower curtains. I love the glass doors, but you know, it is what it is. And then you have your sink here. And once again, outlets is just for shavers. So I basically brought my water pick flosser / toothbrush whole contraption for nothing, because I need water and a plug. So anyway, same storage down here, and then you have toilet and trash this way. All right, you guys, please watch your step on this thing right here. Carson, come here.
I always do like that.
Because this right here is a total trip hazard. Watch this step, okay? Step over it. Don't step on it, okay?
Okay.
Even when you come out, step over. Don't step on it.
Just do it like this.
Yes, exactly.
And like this.
Yes. Thank you. Okay. Then you come in here and you see Junior Suite. You have a lot more space. What's going on? Okay. You have a lot more space. So, a lot more walking room. In the regular room, things are kind of tight, especially when you have a sofa and a bed and you're trying to walk in between them and the wall. So before I get to the sides of the bed, oh, someone's already hung up their jacket. You do get robes. And I think there's a 5th sleeper up there at the top. So there's a ladder in here to access that. But we don't need that. Oh, it's a lot of hangers. Usually I ask for more hangers, but it's a lot of hangers. Alright, so the bed. You guys have to put your wristbands on. There's a lot of storage over here. There's cabinet space, a couple more hangers. There's a pretty tiny safe, a shelf, and 2 drawers down here. And then you do have a plug there, a light, and some shelves. And then on the other side, Basically the same thing. 2 drawers down there.
This was mine.
And a full size closet.
Yeah.
Then you have TV
We'll see
and
one.
6 drawers here.
Okay, we'll see one.
Those are your 6 drawers. This is the cooler, I guess you can call it, because it's probably not cold enough to be a fridge. There is a coffee maker and then a desk, plugs and USBs and a mirror.
Like when we're staying here
There you
and
go.
you're going somewhere.
And then you have a sofa and a chair and a table here. And I think the sofa is more like a trundle. So you'll have one on top and then one on the bottom too. And then you have your balcony, which is looking at San Pedro right now. Watch your step here too. Thank you. And then you have 2 chairs and a table there. There is the bridge connecting San Pedro and Long Beach. And our car is out here somewhere. Still overcast and cloudy.
It's even foggy.
A little foggy, yep, up the mountain.
Yeah, so the clouds are starting to come down.
Yes. All right, and that's that.